Okay. I'll take the picture, okay?
Good as they say.
So you know,
Vienna, Austria.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are all on my way to and from Egypt.
Gotcha.
yes, yes. So this Eritrea, very small country,
Yeah,
but
not a lot of
we
landmass
have
there.
about maybe 5 million people.
Wow.
5 million people. Okay, far. Okay. 3 million people. As I have told you, it gets its independence before 30 years, 30 or 27 years. That is Eritrea. The port is here, maybe Massawa. Massawa is the Red Sea. Massawa is the Red Sea. Yeah. Massawa is the Red Sea. This Assad also port here. Port of Assad. Yeah. So as a whole, this is the map of Africa. In Africa, maybe about 52.
Don't
states.
shoot it onto the road.
So Eritrea is in strategic places. Yes.
Just shove all the flies away from the food.
Yeah, I like it. Right?
Yeah.
Like Grandma got it for me for my 20th birthday.
Yeah.
So I was traveling a lot.
So
Before, you know, the global pandemic happened. I should be in South America right now.
So you love Eritrea?
I would go. I think I'd go just about anywhere.
Oh, one day we'll go.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna hit all of this.
Oh, okay. Yeah. How many countries?
I wish they hadn't blown up Damascus. I'd love to go there.
How many countries visit?
7, I think.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, 9 countries.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I've been to Belize too, but so we went on a fishing trip from Asuncion right here, all the way to Belize and then back, and then I used to live right here.
So you go only for visiting or for business?
Usually, when I was living in Guatemala and then when I was living in Egypt, I was staffing a medical clinic.
Can you take this?
Yeah.
What's your name?
I lived in Guatemala with my mom and then I was in Egypt by myself.
That's Hawaii.
Oh, Guatemala is your
You
original
want to
country.
go there?
No. I'm from
That's
right
Hawaii?
here, St. Louis.
Let me take this.
And then we
Oh,
moved
yes.
Up here when I was a kid.
That's Hawaii.
Yes. So
We can know where Hawaii
But this
is.
is the USSR Russia.
Yep.
Yeah, Russia.
No.
Australia is here.
Oh,
Yes.
My grandparents went to Antarctica a couple of years ago.
So you know, now you understand that Eritrea, the capital city
Yeah,
of
that's
Eritrea
Hawaii.
is Asmara.
Hey, Dad.
What?
Asmara. Well, you have to know.
I love you too.
The port is Massawa.
Massawa?
Yeah, the port is the Red Sea. The Red Sea, Massawa.
No.
Massawa, yeah, that's it. Good. Most people, if they go to Asmara, they visit the Red Sea. Yeah. The Red
What's
Sea.
the national language? Is it Arabic?
In Eritrea, people there are 9
wow.
9 languages. Okay, so the most spoken is Tigrinya, Tigray, Afar, Saho, Kunama, and Arabic is also spoken. So
What's your native language?
my native language Tigrinya, and some people also speak Arabic.
Is that like the main language?
The main language, yeah, the Tigrinya and the Arabic also the main language, but most people they speak Tigrinya. Can you say Tigrinya?
Tigrinya?
Yeah, Tigrinya. Tigrinya is the main, but also Arabic, Tigray, they speak, yeah, because the 9 ethnic groups. So there are different ethnic groups. These ethnic groups, different languages.
Oh, don't do that on purpose, buddy.
So that's a good question. Do you have another question about Eritrea?
Very total population. That's the thing that I care about.
The population is about 5
Is
billion.
it above or below sea level? Is it above or below sea level?
Asmara?
Yeah.
Above sea level. above sea level, it is like a cold place.
Okay.
A cold. It's lovely because you know the Italia. The
Oh, you're
Asmara
welcome.
is built by the Italy. So it's like you know Roma.
Yeah.
Asmara and Roma, the same because you know the Italian are built Asmara like Roma.
When did Italy colonize Eritrea?
Okay, that's a good question. Italy is colonized Eritrea in 1890.
Oh wow.
1890.
A long time ago.
And Italy is out from Eritrea in 1941. Yes, 41. Then British for 10 years. After Italy, the British defeated.
Right after Italy?
After
Is the
Italy,
British?
yeah, the British defeated Italy from Sudan.
Okay.
The Italian are going.
Yeah, you see we got Sudan and South Sudan on this map.
Yeah, on this one. Okay, South Sudan. Yeah. On this Syria. Yeah. This is the Sudan. This is the South Sudan. Right.
How long is your border with Djibouti?
Oh, with Djibouti? Yeah.
Not long.
Not long. This is Asab, the port.
Okay.
Eritrea. Maybe this is Djibouti in here. Look at the same. They are border together. Ethiopia, Djibouti, Sudan, Ethiopia. They are bordered together.
How easy is it to travel, say, to Djibouti or Ethiopia or Sudan? Is it easy to go to those places?
Easy,
If
yeah.
you wanted to?
Easy, yeah, easy. Yeah, it is easy. Because you know there is a transportation, there is a road.
It's because I've been there.
There is a road, you know. There is a road, so it is easy to travel from country to country. Because you know there is a road, asphalt road. Yes, asphalt road. So a lot of tourists are coming to Eritrea because they love because the style of the Europe and also because of the race. Saudi Arabia also.
Do Saudis come to Eritrea?
Saudi Arabia like that. The Saudi also came Eritrea. Yes, Saudi Arabia, the rich country.
Yeah, that's not far.
Yes, not far. Not far.
I guess you kind of, because America's so big, right? You don't really think about, that's America's like from Mali.
That's crazy, right?
Somalia, yeah.
Africa's like probably twice the size of America,
It seems so much bigger when you're here because it's just desert.
right? Yeah. Yeah, 3 Americas will fit in
I
Russia.
was talking in my language, okay? I was talking now in my language, okay, for my people. ስለዚህ ሓፍትና ሳራ ነዛ ማፕ ነዚኣ ማፕ ኣምፅኣልና ኣላ ማለት እዩ ሳራ ጓል 29 ዓመት ኮይና ንኤርትራ ንኸተሪአልና ኣምፅኣልና ማለት እዩ ኣብዚ ኤርትራ ኢላ ትብለና ኣላ ማለት እዩ ስለዚ ንሳ ከዓ ሓደ 7 ሃገራት ኣብ 22 ዕድሚኣ 7 ሃገራት በፂሓ ኣላ ማለት እዩ ስለዚ ሓደ መዓልቲ ከዓ ሽውል ቪዚት ኤርትሪያ ሽውል ቪዚት ኤርትሪያ ሓደ መዓልቲ ከዓ ንኤርትራ ክትበፂዓ ማለት እዩ she's a doctor tomorrow. She's learning to be a doctor.
What is your traditional greeting? What is your
How would you say hello?
Hello for my people. Salam.
Salam?
Salam.
Yeah, salam. Say salam people of Eritrea.
Salam people of Eritrea.
Yeah. Salam people of Eritrea. Yeah. Salam people of Eritrea.